The stock market edged up today, and here's all the reasons why. Okay, so to be honest, there's one primary factor that's playing into this, and the rest is just going to be news. The primary factor is why the market is up is because of the Fed meeting next week, where there is a speculation of a 90% bet. Now, it was 87 yesterday, now it's 90%, that there's going to be a reduction in interest rates. And so because of that, the stock market's going higher, and that is very obviously so. Now, there's two other side newses to pair into this. One, the ADP report that there has been an actually slight reduction in private sector jobs, which could be one of the first initial cracks we see regarding the general job market. And if we're seeing a lot of cracks in the job market, we could see a huge sell-off, but that won't really happen if there's going to be interest rate cuts, at least not within the near term. So this is something to keep in mind, especially after the holidays, I would say. Second piece of news. For all the NVIDIA stockholders, which I know there's a few here, the NVIDIA CEO met with Donald Trump. Subject of the meeting was not disclosed. However, he was on Joe Rogan's podcast before that, where he did mention that he has had complete support with the Trump administration and pretty much is saying that whenever he needed something or he had any thoughts on something, he could call them and they would respond. So that's another thing to keep in mind. As always, whenever news comes out, I will keep you guys up to date. Peace.